Good afternoon, everybody. Hope you guys doing all right. Pedro here again. We're in Linda. We are in the Algarve still. Amazing, beautiful day. It's about 32, 34 degrees. The water in the sea is warm enough for us to get in. And today we are near Benagil. Benagil is an area here in the Algarve where it's famous for the coast part, where you have the famous caves where everybody goes in the boats and they go inside the caves. As you can see, today it's a bit wavy. You're not gonna see any boats in there because the boats will not get in. I've called them a few and they said you can't go inside with the boats, but you see people on the canoes, paddle boards. And actually what we're doing now, we're going on top of the cliffs. As you see now, the sea is down there, we are on top here, and you can just have an amazing walk and see amazing views because this place here, it's beautiful. Alright, so we got to a place called Senhora da Rocha. This place here, it's very, very well known by the view it has. From here you have an amazing view over the beaches on both sides and the cliffs. From the place where we were in Benagil, you can probably walk until here along the coast, and it's a very, very nice walk. I would say it's probably 2 to 3 kilometers more or less, going up and down the hills here on the cliffs, and it's a very nice walk to do. So if you want to do that, you're gonna have an amazing time. So that was it for today. I hope you guys have enjoyed the video. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and I'll see you on my next one.